Welcome to your dream home. Better than new and move-in ready. Built in 2023, this immaculate 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom gym offers the perfect blend of contemporary design and thoughtful functionality. The kitchen is a showstopper, featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a spacious breakfast bar, and plenty of cabinets with a pantry for your storage needs. Each bedroom is nicely sized with a layout that provides everyone with their own space. Plus, with ample storage throughout, everything has its space. Head outside to a beautifully finished backyard complete with lush, real grass, stylish pavers, and a convenient double gate. It's the perfect setting for entertaining, relaxing, and making memories. With no neighbor directly across the street and a neighborhood park just steps away, you'll enjoy both privacy and convenience.
Hi, I'm excited to tell you about a new master plan community nestled at the beautiful Superstition Mountains. Whether you live in Arizona now or you're looking to move, this could be your new community. Imagine waking up every morning to the beautiful views of the Superstition Mountains that offer so many activities for you and your family. Plus, you're just a short drive away from the Salt River, Canyon Lake, and Swirl Lake. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, this is your paradise. This community is strategically located with easy access to 3 major freeways: US 60, the Loop 202, and State Route 44, making your commute a breeze. Welcome to Superstition Radiance, this large master plan community in the East Valley that has views of the Superstition Mountains. This large community will have about 5,000 houses when completed. There are parks, playgrounds, tot lots, and walking trails throughout the neighborhood. There's a large community pool with a splash pad for the kids. There's also a clubhouse with a weight room and community areas. There are currently about 20 floor plans, with the smallest home being around 1,300 square feet and the largest around 3,300. There are 3 series of homes, so you can get a larger lot and updated finishes if that's what's important to you. They only sell spec homes, which means you will typically be able to move into your new home in 30 to 90 days. There are new homes that are a single story with a 3-car garage, and some of them even have a double gate and a large yard. They do have a new section in this neighborhood that is single story homes up to about 3,500 square feet, 3-car garage, single stories all around. Located just south of US 60, it's about 15 minutes from Mesa Gateway Airport and Queen Creek, so you have all the shopping and restaurants not too far away. If you're excited about the prospect of calling this incredible community home, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to answer all of your questions and guide you through the process of finding your perfect home. Call me for a private tour and I'll keep you in the loop for any changes or updates in this area. I'm Twilight, your East Valley new home expert.